3, 2, 1. And of course, maybe I should have my microphone over here so people can actually hear me. But whatever I'm doing inside this red box is going to be recorded. Nothing outside the red box will get recorded. Okay? If I am done talking about whatever it is I'm talking about, and I need to shuffle papers or go to a different tab or whatever. So until it says go, it's not going to actually record anything you say. But again, it's only recording inside of the little square. So you can go back and forth. I mean, I have even like recorded a YouTube video playing that I needed them to see a clip of, and I'm voicing over it or whatever. Videoing a video. I mean, you can do whatever. As long as it's inside the box on your desktop screen, it will record it.
Okay, so like if I was showing, okay, I want y'all to see this thing about pathos, ethos, and logos. Pathos, show the little clip, pause it, and be like, hey, pathos is examples of this, this, this. Here's logos. Here's showing a little clip. So I can do that.
Right, and you could clip and talk. Show the clip and talk them through it and record both of those.
Okay. Can you adjust the size of your red window?
Absolutely.